Welcome to the channel. This is Waga. We are going to continue with a series of videos on SwiftUI, and what we have here is just the usual SwiftUI, a usual, just a startup project when you start off. And what we're going to talk about today are view containers. Now, body, as you know, the body property here that I'm clicking on is a computed property, a computed read-only property to be exact, right? Let's give ourselves more real estate. Let's do this and this, and yeah, now we have more space to work on, and it can only return one view. So, for example, if we come here and say text, mm, will this work? This won't work, of course. And we hit save and we hit try again. It's going to give us this error: function declares an opaque return type, and we covered that in the last video. If you can check the previous video to this on the playlist, you will find why we cover why this will not work. So what we're going to talk about today is how you can return multiple views from the same body, and yeah, that's what we're going to do. So let us continue. A view container is basically a container that contains more views, that contains several views, other views. Like, for example, there are three. There is VStack, HStack, and ZStack. These are analogous if you're coming from Flutter to VStack is vertical. A VStack is basically the what's it called? A V stack is vertical, so it's basically the column. A H stack is horizontal, so it's basically the row, and the Z stack is just the stack in Flutter. It arranges things according to the Z index. If you know your CSS, right? I believe that's from CSS. Z index. So basically, that's what you're going to look at, and we are going to cover them in more detail in another video. But I just wanted to mention it here because, yeah, so that you can know how you can stack several things. So for starters here, what we could do is we could come to the here, and we're just going to use the VStack and do this. And in the VStack, we are going to have some curly braces like so. And here we're going to have some text, and we're going to say, this is okay. I may not say awesome. And we could copy this like so. Just Command C, copy it. And we could come down here, and we could come down here and copy it like so. So basically, what we're doing here, we are returning a VStack. And a VStack is a vertical stack, and it can nestle up to 10 objects. So we could do 1, 2, 3, 4. We can continue 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like so. So this is what a view container is. It's a container that contains several or more than one view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's add more. One more, 10. So basically, after 10, you get an error. Wait, this 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah. So you see, you're getting an error because this last line. If we try to run it, it won't run because we have 11 right now, right? So a V stack, which is vertical, allows us to have only 10 stacks. If we want to add more, we could if we want to add more, we could come here and do this and say V stack, another V stack, and then you have space for several more. We can say Command V. You see it's not complaining now. And another one, and another one. And so yeah, so you could nestle the last element in the VStack can be another VStack that we could nestle in it. And a VStack, as you can see, uses a trailing closure, which if you know Swift is this makes sense to you. But what we do not require, what is optional, is the initializer, right? We could come here and say this. We could come here and say, for example, content. Wait. You see this? All these arguments. We could actually just come here and insert these arguments, or we could just add content like so. And yeah, and then come over here and close off this. Wait. No. Where is the cursor? Bring it here, delete this, and come here and do this, like so. And this code will still work, right? Yeah, we need to put a semicolon here. No, it's not supposed to be there. It's supposed to, where does this VStack end? This VStack ends here, like so. So we put it here rather than here, like so, right? So this code works. We could put this initializer here on the these parameters. We could put this in the VStack, but it's not required, right? It's optional. You could do it or you could forgo it. So basically that's that. That's a view container, and this is just a quick video to show you how you can nestle multiple views within the body property. Yeah, basically that. So thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.